Hi, my researchers friend. I am going to show you our cell grooving machine. So when you make the battery in your lab, you take this cell and then first do this necking, or you call it grooving. In this machine you can control grooving thickness as well as grooving depth by 0.1 mm. It is servo driven machine. So now I will show you the operation of the machine. Please operate. Now we have made the cell. Okay. So by this cell you will press this button first. After putting the gel, press this button. Now this cell will move to hemming machine, hemming or pressing machine, or somebody call it crimping machine. Okay. So now in the next I will show you crimping machine. For this machine you can change any size. In this machine we are using 18 mm to 46 mm. If you need larger size, you can have larger size. Means from 18700 to 46 140. So these all size you can use. The entire machine is servo driven, and for if you need any special purpose, means button grooving, or you have some special non-circular design, then you can also contact us. We can develop it for you. Thank you.